tide height calculation practice problem 2. On 14 October 2023, you'll be docking at Money Point, VA at the first high tide. What time will you be docking? See illustration D063NG. So it wants to know basically what time is the first high tide. So if we go to Money Point, VA right here, tide predictions at Money Point, VA, and the numbers match up here and here, and it wants first high tide on the 14th. So we say, okay, here's the 14th, here's the low tide, here's the first high tide, and it happens at 8:48. Let's check. 8:48 is A, so 2 we are saying is A. Let's check. Yes, 2 is A. Let's go on to number 3. These are meant to give you just, you can look at it and get the answer. It's very straightforward, unlike the previous versions of these.
If you find these videos helpful, consider using US Captain's Training as your course provider when getting your captain's license.